Okay, so for level 7, we are improvising using a melody using the blues scale. So first, we want a melodic instrument, and I'm going to use the search function this time, because I know I want the saxophone. Tenor is a bit warmer, so I'm going to go for the tenor saxophone. It's too low. Let's go for that. Now, if you quantize it, it's going to make things a bit stiff. When we do melody, and I'll show you more of the level 8 task, we want to use a bit of a swung rhythm to get a jazz style. So kind of like almost like a horse galloping. So rather than, okay, that's quite stiff. We want it to be swung. That kind of rhythm. If we have the quantize on, that will not work, and I'll demonstrate what I mean. So let me record it with the quantize. Okay, and let's hear what it's done to my recording. Okay, it's made it a bit funny. This time I'll record it without the quantize and take the quantize off. Okay, now let's listen to that this time. Okay, I made some mistakes, but it's just smoother. Okay, that was a bit robotic, but here it's smoother. So, when you're recording the melody and when you do the hi-hats later, make sure the quantize is off. Now, the blues scale, you don't have to use every single note. Start simple with 1 or 2 notes and then gradually add more as you get more confident. I'm just going to improvise a recording now, and you'll see I'll start simple and get progressively more complex. There we go. Okay, so that's a level 7 now. Just improvise the melody using that blues scale. There we go.